Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy Pierre, and we're back at it again with another week of retirement life. So let's get this show on the road. Retirement life hits different when you can move at your own pace. I'm starting the morning off cutting the grass, enjoying the peace and quiet, and taking care of business around the house. Then it's time to pull out the old school vintage Chevy and hit the road for a smooth ride and good vibe. Just another day enjoying retirement life. Simple moments, classic cars, and freedom to enjoy the journey. After cruising through retirement life and riding out in the old school Chevy, it was time to switch things up and welcome some good friends all the way from Mississippi. And when folks from the Delta pull up, you already know the food is about to be serious. The kitchen instantly turned into a full Southern cooking experience. Pots steaming, skillets sizzling, and recipes passed down through generations coming to life. We're talking real deep Southern cuisine, straight from the Mississippi Delta. The kind of food that brings everybody together before the first plate even hits the table. With the food finished and everybody full from the deep Southern Delta cooking, it was time to slow things down and head out for a different kind of experience. We traded the sounds of the kitchen for a night of culture and entertainment as we made our way to the beautiful Chrysler Hall to check out the Lion King. The atmosphere was completely different, relaxing, classy, and full of excitement as people gathered together for the showing. From the artwork surrounding the museum to the timeless music and powerful moments from the play, it turned into the perfect way to end the day. Just another unexpected chapter of retirement life. Good people, good food, and unforgettable experiences along the way. Today we're heading to Richmond, Virginia. They have the opening boating event in Richmond. It's a place called the Lily Pad, where actually the Lily Pad is where we're going to be unloading our skis and boats from. And then we're going to go up the James River. And we're going to be going to what's called the Gravel Pit. The first of the year is a great event. So I'm going to bring you along, see what you think, see how you like it, show you how we get down out here in the water in Virginia. The ride from Norfolk is about an hour and some change. Riding with us, we have Clay back there with his new ski, and then we have Eddie up front leading the way right there with his new ski. Now let's get this show on the road. The season officially kicked off on the James River with the 757 Hydro Boys making major waves. From the Lily Pad all the way to the Gravel Pit, the river was packed with boats, music, and non-stop energy all day long. This wasn't just another ride, it was the first major boating event of the season, and everybody showed up ready to turn the river up. Jet skis flying across the water, boats lined up side by side, grills smoking, music blasting. The whole James River was alive. The Hydro Boys brought that 757 energy from start to finish. Everywhere you look, people were laughing, dancing, linking up with friends, enjoying the first real taste of summer on the water. The Lily Pad was crowded with floating boats and good vibes, while the Gravel Pit turned into the ultimate gathering spot for the boating community. You could feel it. Boating season is officially back. From custom boats to wild sound systems and perfect weather. This was one of those days that reminds you why everybody waits all winter for river season. And if this is how the season starts, the rest of the summer is about to be legendary. 757 Hydro Boys, RVA Boat Excursions, James River. First major event of the season, and we're just getting started. And just like that, another week of retirement adventures is in the books. From cutting grass and cruising in the vintage Chevy, to good friends, deep southern cooking, and nights out enjoying great culture and entertainment. This is what retirement life is about. Simple moments, good energy, and making memories along the way. Thanks for riding with me this week, and stay tuned because the next adventure is always right around the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.